Hi guys, I'm Shane. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn Ngomane. So guys, today we are going to talk about how you can open a SPaza shop in South Africa. Now I know that a lot of people tend to look down on this particular business, but I can tell you that this business has been supporting a lot of families, including myself. So guys, if you are new, please do consider to subscribe, to hit the notification button so you'll be notified each and every time whenever I post a video. And if you are not new, please do consider to like, share, and to comment as well. So guys, I'm all about sharing business ideas that we can all relate to as South Africans, and I'm 100% sure that we can relate to a SPaza shop business. So today I'm also representing my company, which is called Liraji Cleaning Services. So if you are based in Durban and you need a company to help you with your cleaning, I am your guy. I will do the job for you. So guys, let's get back to today's topic. As I said, that today we are going to talk about how you can open a SPaza shop in South Africa. Okay, so this is what you need to have in order for you to get started with a SPaza shop business. So the first thing that you will need, it is to have a business plan. You need to know how you are going to operate. You need to plan everything before you can start working, so that you will make sure that you don't make mistakes as time progresses. So your business plan should always include your business name. It can include a logo. If you want to add a logo, you need to include what you want to sell and how you are going to market, and you also need to include how much you are going to need to get started with your business. So that is what you're going to do. So the second thing that you need to do, it is to decide where you want to run your business. Now most of the people run their businesses in their homes, including my family, but other people prefer to run this particular business like somewhere else, whereby they feel that okay, it will be suitable for them to start operating their SPaza shop. So you need to check that. You need to do some research on a place where you want to run your business. All right, it's fine. Now you have found where you want to operate, so you need to do some research as well, or some surveys, whereby you will be checking if the people around your community will be able to support your business, because you do not want to sell something that they won't buy. You need to sell things that they will buy on a regular basis to keep your business going. So you need to do that research as well. So guys, another thing that you are going to do, it is to raise some funds. You need money for you to get started with a SPaza shop. You won't start without money, but you can start as little as 1,000 rand, or you can even start with less. It depends on how small you want to start. I always advise you guys to start small and then you can go big, because remember, when you start a business, you make mistakes, and then you don't want to make mistakes whereby it will end up costing you to close your business. So you need to start small, make mistakes and learn from your mistakes, and then you can go big as time progresses. So that is what you will need. You need your finances. So guys, after you have money, now you need to know where you are going to stock. You need to check for wholesalers, where you will buy stock in bulk at lower prices, because if you can go to ShopRite or Pick n Pay to buy certain things, already their prices are very high, so you won't be able to make profits. So you need to buy at wholesale shops. So that is what you need to do, and you need to at least find 4 different wholesale shops and compare their prices, so that you will be able to save as much money as possible. And it will also help you if where you are stocking they don't have stock, you can go to the next wholesale shop to actually stock your a stock. So okay, you found that. Now if you decide to start big, you will definitely need to have a transport like a bakkie for you to go and buy your stock. But you don't necessarily need to buy a bakkie. You can always hire someone who has a bakkie in your community to buy stock. Or if you are starting small, you can use a taxi to go and buy stock and come back. So you need to do that. And then guys, please make sure that your business always has stock, because you do not want your customers to come looking for something only to find out that you are out of stock. So you need to try by all means that your SPaza shop is fully operational, meaning that you always have stock so that you will be able to make money. So that is what we were talking about today. I will see you on the next video, whereby we'll be discussing more business ideas that you can start in South Africa to make money. Have a wonderful day.